Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I'm Emma, and this is your English pronunciation practice. Today, we will train the oo sound with clear words and short phrases.
Hi, I'm Nexo. I'm ready to listen, repeat, and have fun with the U sound.
First, I will show you the lesson structure so you know exactly what to do. Part 1 is words. Listen to each word and repeat it slowly. Part 2 is phrases. You will hear short phrases with the same sound in natural English. Keep your ears open and your voice relaxed. Pronunciation improves step by step.
Great. I'll repeat with energy. Let's make this sound smooth.
Excellent, Nexo. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Moon. Moon. Spoon. Spoon. Boot. Boot. Shoe. Shoe. Food. Food. Juice. Juice. Soup. Soup. School. School. Realm. Realm. Tooth. Tooth. Pool. Pool. Zoo. Zoo. Balloon. Balloon. Flute. Flute. Cube. Cube. Broom. Broom. Goose. Goose. Roof. Roof. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. Now, in phrases, your goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
I'm ready. I'll listen closely and repeat each phrase.
Perfect. Listen first, then repeat clearly.
Moon. Moon. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. Spoon. Spoon. I have a spoon. I have a spoon. Boot. Boot. This boot is black. This boot is black. Shoe. Shoe. My shoe is new. My shoe is new. food, food. The food is hot. The food is hot. Juice, juice. She drinks juice. She drinks juice. Soup, soup. The soup is warm. The soup is warm. School, school. The school is big. The school is big. Realm, realm. This room is clean. This room is clean. Tooth, tooth. My tooth is white. My tooth is white. Pool, pool.
The pool is cold. The pool is cold.
Zoo, zoo. The zoo is open. The zoo is open. Balloon, balloon. The balloon is red. The balloon is red. Flute, flute. She plays a flute. She plays a flute. Cube, cube. The cube is small. The cube is small. Broom, broom. The broom is by the door. The broom is by the door. Goose, goose. The goose is in the lake. The goose is in the lake. Roof, roof. The roof is high. The roof is high.
Great work. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation class.
Yes, the oo sound feels easier now. I want to practice again.
That's the spirit. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.